want to do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. The attacking boss tell them, my people, we're not going nowhere. You understand? We still a attack. Niah-Gang, R.I.P. to Niah-Gang family, mother, him daughter, real ones them. You understand? The fans them who was a Niah-Gang. Our deepest condolences. You understand? You know the thing go. Well, my people, I have a small clip of audio, my viewers and subscribers. And this is where Niah-Gang mother herself is speaking out, my people, pertaining to what happened to her son, my viewers and subscribers. I didn't get much from this speech from Niah-Gang mother, but I know surely there's more to it, my people. So someone forward a small piece of it to me, and me decide say, no, you want to go on NEWLINK? Me I go share it with my viewers and subscribers. Then we can talk over it, my people. So I want you to listen to this, my people. This is where Niah-Gang mother, and hear what she got to say about her son.
Nation, this is Niah mother. The person who kill Niah and somebody will eat a Niah yard. Somebody will dead a Niah yard every day. And somebody in a Niah community close to Niah go kill Niah.
Yeah, me I tell you, somebody me that.
Somebody who used to Niah yard kill Niah.
Every time I watch the video and the boy I cook dog, me I cry, cause yo, brother, me don't know.
Dog them don't bark until when they shot them bus. And the person coming at the yard and the dog them don't bark. Until they shot them bus. And somebody who know Niah used to Niah yard and Niah family kill Niah.
Oh God.
And them go and that person have to go down. So anybody who sending that person have to go down.
God,
Yeah. That person have to go down, guys. 3 days, what up?
Well, my viewers and subscribers, I got again. Mommy, we know you're sad, mommy. We know your son, mommy. We know what them do to your son, mommy. And we know deep inside, mommy, you're more evil hurt. If you know, say, I the same one them with your son trust, mommy. I them take out your son 3 points. But mommy, let me tell you this, mommy. There's Almighty up above, mommy. You understand, and him love all of us. You see the demons them who take out your son life, mommy. The so-called friend them. I just time, mommy. I God and time, mommy. Hold the faith, mommy, and be strong, mommy. Keep Niah-Gang daughter, mommy. Hold her tight, hold her close, mommy. Protect her, mommy. Because, mommy, them demons, they are going to fall. They all shall fall, mommy. Remember me, NEWLINK attacking boss said that. My people, you hear what mommy say? No, you hear what mommy say? Dog in the yard, my people. Dog. Them know them dog, them stay, my people. The dog, them with a bark. If stranger come there, the dog, them with a get mad. If stranger come there, my people. But the dog, them quiet. Why? Why the dog, them quiet, my viewers and subscribers? Why the dog, them quiet? Because the dog know the friend them. It have to be somebody where the dog, them know, my people. You see what go on? You see what played out, my people? It has to be somebody, I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, where the dog them know. You understand? So whether a family, whether whoever, but to tell my people, it's not no family do it, you know. A friend. Close friend, my people. Close. Eh? So all of what we are telling you from the other day, my people. All of what. You know what I mean? But as me say, me respect my viewers and subscribers, them. I respect you know. Big up on yourself 1,000,000 times. You know why? Because me see where on the dep on it with me and my people. Me see so you understand what me I say, and me so you give me my respect, you know. You see me? That's why I say I love my viewers and subscribers, them my real one, them I love you know. Because them dep on it with me. Uno attack it with me. This come as yo. Friend, so-called friend. Uno bad mind the youth. Uno grudge the youth. Uno envy the youth. Uno see the big success of forward the youth we are. The youth they don't predict that 2025 gonna be his year. Uno see it. Uno see what go on for the youth. Uno get so ready. Uno make others over the on the same app. You understand? Brave uno. And show no hungry. And show no love feeding like uno fall. You know like uno some look all fall we hungry. When there's a go chick and a pick. You understand? So uno take it. And that is what uno did to the youth, yo. You think mommy I tell no lie, mommy? Me say your prayers and you cry where you cry now go in vain, mommy. They all are go fall, all of them are go done, mommy. All of them, mommy. Listen what me say now. Your prayers, the tears where you cry, mommy, the sadness where you got, mommy, it ain't gonna go in vain, mommy. Remember me tell her that, mommy. You see me? People, boy, me tell her say, me feel it. John knows. Me tell her no. Me tell her no. The youth have trust in them. The youth know say in them yard good, in them yard great. The youth know say they can't afford in them yard and touch him. Else them have to go through hoof. You understand? Them people, you know hear no hoof. Mommy say, remember what mommy say? And when whatever do, cause you know say once dog, just like if you bust a fire rocket a clappers. Just like when fireworks knock up. And you hear dog from all east, west, north, south start back. Dog all over start back. Once you do them thing, them people. You see me? The dog they name make a son until them hear pishing wang. That's when the dog they make a son for people. So what if you tell you now? The junkra them. You see me? The junkra them. Una junkra. Una demon. Una Satan. Nothing nice now, you know, bro. Me say nothing nice now. You see me? Nothing nice. All of uno. Yo. You see the one who even put on the 8 who pay the money, uno jankra, me I tell you now go done. I got on time. Uno go done. How no sleep, jankra? Question, how no sleep? How no sleep? How no feeling on yourself say the same you to that feed, you know? When you're not hungry and broke and $1 in the pot, the same you used to buy rum on the drink. On the name food and drink rum and poop. How no feel if you know say that you used to take care of, no? John Crown the feel now. But so he could have gone to that big bread because man no love man, you know. You see me, you no love man. So he ain't going to a 50 pack or 100 pack. So they hear about them couple of hundreds and we frightened on them. And they look on it and say, what? Well, we just get him out and done because they hate the youth long time, you know. But the youth are trusting on the heart of faith to get to youth, a real youth. The youth believing on you. You see me? And I do the youth that. One thing I tell you, John Crown, mommy, me say you're pride, mommy. Mommy, listen me, mommy. Mommy, please listen to me, mommy. Hold it, mommy. Be strong. Me know your son, you lose your son, you love your son, mommy. But, mommy, your prayers, your tears ain't gonna go in vain, mommy. All of them junk you go down. Every one of them, mommy, I go down. You see me? They ain't gonna last. You see me? Me say people, me talk this the other day, me I show a virgin of vibes and say, look here. All wicked one on earth I go done. Only salvation lasts forever. You see me? All demons, so no care you me feel like you are the people wickedness. When I hate and I envy and I grudge against people, bro. And one thing me I tell you now, wanna do, me again a lot, you know, bro. But it never go last. It a go wither done quick and wanna think and uno go wither done too. You see me? Because right now me know son a hunt. Uno hear the attacking boss that talk hunt. Yo, more Niah-Gang aunt to me, you know. As some used to tell Tamara, so the auntie, his sister, you know. Haunt them, Niah, haunt them. Niah, haunt them, Niah, haunt them. Spiritually upon them, Niah, haunt them. Haunt the so-called friend them. Haunt the one them who call it fire, Niah. Haunt them, the one them who envy Niah. Haunt them, Niah, haunt them. No joke, attack. Haunt them, Niah, haunt them. I want to know. Mr. NEWLINK, they back in a full force corner, man. No joke, man. Spiritually, mentally, physically. Haunt them, Niah, haunt them. Haunt the junker, them, Niah, haunt them. Them too wicked, yo. Yo, me say friend killers, all friend killer attack phone up. No joke about it. My people, big up on yourself. No joke, my people. Be safe, be good, be great. You see me? A one team, my people, a one dream and a one scheme and a one attacking boss. And my people, remember me telling you say a God and time. All of them are go down, my people. All of them. People, just be safe out there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Follow me on all social media platforms, my people. All. You see me? Jaja.